Are you looking for a way to make your Pinterest account private? In this video, I will show you step by step how to change the privacy settings of your account and make your pins and boards safe and secure. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Pinterest app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap where it says Privacy and Data. And then simply toggle this on. Search Privacy. Hide your profile from search engines, for example, Google. Once you've toggled this on, you can also make your pins and boards private if you want to. So to do that, go back to your profile page and then tap on the board that you want to make private. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap Edit Board. So now all you have to do next is simply toggle this on. Make this board secret. And now only you and collaborators will see this board. So you can go ahead and repeat this process for other boards as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.